I hope I'm reading this correctly, that we have a square base and we don't know the height. So let me call that y real quick. But we do know the volume, which is length times width times height, so x squared times y, is 81,000 square centimeters. And what I like to do is just solve for y by dividing x squared over. And that means that that's the same thing as that 81,000 next to the negative second power. So at this point, you can create a cost equation, and it's a closed box, which is important because there's now two of the x squareds, but they cost $7.50 per square centimeter. And then there's 4 of the x times y, and that costs $2.50 per square centimeter. But now I need to plug in this 81,000 in for that y. So the cost equation in terms of x, I see they want that as well.